Hello, guys. Welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania. Today, we are on our way to find the famous Peru Cave in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Bob will be our tour guide for today as he is familiar with the area. He's right there in the blue shirt. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. And guys, just go to my description below the video and then you will see the different ways on how you can support me. Watch until the end.
Oh, kaya may dati used to walk in on me, used to walk away at you man. Then a $56 me used to walk a week time, man.
Me tell you, see this road here, no? Me tell you, see this here, no?
That was telling to go fan, the one
The
there.
one there.
No, man, I wrong.
This is the nice stuff, see this here.
Give me this machine.
No,
Game, man, so they can clear the way. I'm a lead, no. Give me time, I use, you know. Now, we got to walk over here, no. You know, so make me worry, and police want me. Yeah, because you made that they want to disrespect my mother. And me run him out of yard, you know. They make time me about 13, 14, you know. And you know, me say them have bush a cover here on Friday and he said to come over there to meet. And me up there and sit down in the brother and look at it. So me sit down up there, me see one man a come across up. You do a bag for him. See him? And me did that and I say, I will still man this up. When I say me hear some next man come across one bush so. And yo, you see one next man come across and me over here one man do so with one bag. He have one bag for him back and do so. I said, Baba, you will come find out. You say, me see man do so.
oh, bro.
Which brown? No police. I want to go me see boy to go to the bag. Handcuff me same place in the brother. I mean, I look boy me the police a place, brother. Yo, something happened to me one of our place. Remember?
So, guys, Bob is leading us, and so far we're enjoying the hike. Outdoor is
Yeah.
beautiful.
Come on, Tanya. Keep up. The skin color pretty nice, camera though. You not feel comfortable with the back. You not feel comfortable with the back. Yes, sir? Yeah, we're hiking in the woods to find the notorious Peru Cave. Yes. While hagin na mo siya to. Yes, very aggressive.
These men are moving so fast. I have to have the strength to
Yep.
keep up with them. And we have been walking for probably about 35 minutes now, and we're still getting there.
Yeah, you're right, the road block.
Just apart from me come here, so. And it turns.
So the road is blocked, guys, but do you think that we should chance it? Do you think that we should continue on the journey? Well, we did.
How is the journey, Tanya, so far?
Tiring. However, hopefully we will find the cave today. We have been searching since yesterday, 2-day journey. So now we're enjoying the hike. We're actually hiking in the hills of St. Elizabeth.
Yep, going in.
Near Manchester.
This is the Mitcham Hill we are hike up on now. Yeah, me push you.
Thanks.
Here one whole and problem girlfriend. Which one better?
Guys, walking for about an hour now, but with the help of Chad, by him pulling me, it will make the journey a little bit easier. But remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Guys, thank you for the support and the love that you have been giving.
Orange trees? That's orange tree. Eh? Oh, it's orange. Orange one. Yeah. It's orange tree. Huh? That ain't video. I'll go through it.
Remember, Bob, our tour guide, is leading us, so we just have to trust him.
Where the road they go? Where the road they go, big boss? Peru Gate. The original Peru Gate. And we're not far from the cave now. I'm not seeing none attacking me.
So now we are going on another road. This is a journey, but we are enjoying it.
What's going on, John? Chill out. Oh,
Cave, that's the cave. The cave down there. The door.
where?
Cave in front of you. Cave is in front of you.
No, me no see it. Oh, you cheer them.
Yeah, it's in
Okay.
front. Getting down in the cave going to prove a little bit tricky. It is not a step going down here. It's a whatever.
So, guys, remember, Bob is so confident and he's letting us know that we're near
Eh?
to the cave, that the cave is right in front of
Yeah.
us. So, we're now excited
Yeah.
and happy knowing that we're about to go into the cave. But, guys, do you think that we will be able to go into the cave? Do you think that we will find the cave? Watch and see what is about to happen.
Hmm?
Hold on the Bob. Where are we?
I say I'm finding hole.
So Bob left us to go and find the hole for the cave. We will now have to wait on him.
Used to? You need to get used to that, sir.
While we wait on Bob, we decided to go over the fence that he had climbed over and wait on him there.
I mean, I really love swinging that some bush. I mean, I know still, you know. Because I know if watch this today, I'm going to disturb.
Well, we're in some bush somewhere, hoping to find the cave that we're looking for.
I just can't capture this. But even though you showed intake. I one gun, so one.
Is that Bob?
Mm-hmm.
Bob has still not returned and we are waiting.
Waiting on Bob to come back.
If Bob does not return in 10 minutes, we're going to go into the bush to search for him.
Time is it down here?
Whatever, over there to come.
Time is now 11, not 11, 12:39. So about 12:40. Gonna come back. So
That's why I'm saying to that camera.
right now, I'm calling Bob, and we're we're not having any, what do I call it now?
Signal.
Not signal.
Sound.
Sound back from him.
And he said that we should wait on him, and we are still waiting.
Let's wait. Just be patient a little while.
Oh, what a,
It's a tree.
a bird?
No, a tree. I'm at nine and I'm.
Hmm?
Of course, the guy should be doing it back out.
But we don't want left Bob. Me, I go around, I go search for him.
Bob is still away and we are not sure what to do. So the only option that we have is to go and search for him.
Bob!
So, guys, we have been standing here for over 20 minutes waiting on Bob to return. He is our tour guide and we just don't know what to do. So, we definitely have to search for him.
Alright, let's see. Try and see if we can go through here, cause here.
Yeah.
All right. So, where you want us to go?
Let's go. It looked like other way.
All right, let me try the way here.
Alright.
So there are two roads in the bush. However, we have decided to take this road because we definitely want to find Bob.
Want to take the lead?
So, why me if you take the lead? You know,
Ricky,
can't
go
lead.
take the lead. Go take the lead. So, Richard will take the lead. Where are you going, Tania? Wait, man. Richard will take the lead.
Get up, that's you here, don't move here. That's it, Bob coming.
Mm-hmm.
Bob!
Bob!
No
Thing is
sign of
getting
Bob.
serious. This ain't no joke.
No sign of Bob.
Oh, Bob has left.
I can't believe a lizard live around here.
What?
Lizard.
You just said a while ago.
You see lizard that climb up the tree?
Imagine that.
Lizard is in the woods.
Lizard in the woods.
Wow. What
Let's not lose focus, people. Let's try to find him.
Bob.
Because I think we should come back this way.
Which way? Go
We
that
should-
way?
Yeah, I think we should go more.
Ricky.
Bob!
Bob! I played a birthday.
Bob!
So after searching for about half an hour, we have made a decision to turn back and to go and find DeAndre because he has been standing down there waiting on Bob with hopes of Bob returning.
Bob!
Bob!
We have lost.
I don't know where Bob could have gone though.
We are very, it is a very serious circumstance. It's serious situation. We have lost our tour guide. And it is starting to look more and more like wrong turn. And I am getting very scared. This is my scared face.
Hold on. That's really nice.
Guys, we're not going to give up on Bob. We are going to find him today. It doesn't matter what, we are going to find him.
Them nice to use. We can get continuous shot with them. They still use them at ring, you know?
Yeah. Right now we are not getting to the top. We are getting the top. We need to find them.
Bob! Bob!
Might take longer.
Where's the road?
And just have to quit them one.
You know, you'll be able to come back at that without finding with them. And it keep over here to come up better way.
So guys, we're searching for Bob. Bob has left us for over an hour now, and we still don't see him. Kavanaugh went a different direction. We went to one, and we still can't find Bob.
Here is Bob. Search for all day.
Bob just appeared out of the bushes. Look at him, guys. He drop off.
Nasty, yeah.
Bob, wait. Bob, talk to the camera. Tell me what happened. Can you just dance? So what happened?
I don't got me, man, but you miss the road and make round and come back round. So I say, I come look on this road and find him back.
So it was a wrong turn.
Yeah, we make a wrong turn a while ago.
So guys, we found Bob. Yay!
Find him in there.
Far from you, say there? Far from you, so? Oh.
So, guys, Bob made his way back to us. He simply made a wrong turn. Now we're on our way to the Peru Cave with hopes of finding it. Do you think that we are going to find the Peru Cave in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica? Do you think that the cave exists? Stay tuned and watch our next video on the channel Chat Jamaican with Tania, and you will know whether or not we had found the cave. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more.